The power of Chatgpt is undeniable, and on today's video I'm sharing part 2 on how this tool can help you as a creator, coach, and entrepreneur. So let's go. In this previous video I shared what is Chatgpt and how it can help you. And today I'm sharing what you need to pay attention to, because the more that you use it, the more that you need to know about this. So let's start with the first one. So the first thing is Chatgpt can really be useful when you're focusing on market research for your business, your brand, or a new offer that you want to establish. But there's a catch. You need to understand what you want and what do you need to get there. Chatgpt is a tool that can guide you, that can give you a direction, but you need to know the basic information, which is who is your audience? What is the offer that you want? What is the idea of the business that you want to do? What do you want to create as a content creator? You need to have this basic information so you can have the most accurate answer. And it's always said by Chatgpt, the answers are not 100% accurate. The only person that can truly help you get further is yourself. So let's go to the second reminder. So the second thing that Chatgpt can do for you as a small business owner, creator, is help you with a customer service, which means sending DMs, sending LinkedIn requests, sending emails. All of that can help. You can give you a template, a guidance, a style of writing. But again, you need to understand what do you want and what do you need. What is your brand voice? What is your brand identity? How do you want to appear in that message? Because at the end of the day, you're the only one that has the power to build your brand authentically. Chatgpt is only tool to help you use some language that maybe you want and you want to use. But at the end of the day, you are the only one that is going to be in front of those people when you're Zoom, when you're connecting, when you are sending requests. You are the face. Chatgpt is a tool that can help you. So let's go to reminder number 3. The third one is one of the most important ones, is helping you get organized with your content creation. You can organize 6 weeks, 1 month, 2 weeks, however you want to do it. And even go crazy and go 1 year. But again, you need to understand when you're writing the key things that you want Chatgpt to do for you is what is the platform that you want to use? Who is your audience? What do you want? What are the words that you mostly use when you're connecting through different platforms? Again, you know that not all social media platforms are the same. You need to understand who is your audience, how to communicate it, how to create that video, that post, that blog post as well. You need to understand. So it can really help you by suggesting key things that you need to do, but you need to pay attention to how you want to do it. Again, it's an amazing tool, Chatgpt, for getting organized as a content creator, coach, entrepreneur, but you are the key. You're the one that can help this process, okay? So let's go to suggestion number 4. The fourth one is one of the most important ones as well. Why? Because it can really help you get organized. Doesn't matter if you're a solopreneur or entrepreneur that has a huge team. It can really help you by suggesting which are the best places to organize your work, to organize the journey of your content. It will always suggest you the best things that you want for yourself, but you need to tell this tool what do you want and what do you need. For example, if you want to set up reminders, it will give you the best tools to set up reminders for. If you want to have a new tool to use to gather ideas and to write content, it will suggest you those tools. But it has its own limitations, which is it will just suggest you, it will just give you a general idea, but at the end of the day, it's up to you to understand what do you want, okay? Because it doesn't matter in what part of the journey you are. What matters is you understand what do you want. And of course, Chatgpt will continue to grow, will continue to break boundaries. But at the end of the day, remember, it won't replace you. It will just offer you help. Of course, I do think that in some ways, it will replace some things, but it won't replace you as a human. But AI is something we need to welcome, that we need to experience, that we need to enjoy, and enjoy the process that it can help you do. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. These were the 4th reminders of how you can continue using Chatgpt for your benefit. And always remember, it's up to you. All the best.